guys, Amy here. I just wanted to pop on real fast and let you know that the second annual Holiday Cricut Craftfest is starting soon. So now is the time to get your free ticket to this amazing 5-day workshop that includes actually now over 50 workshops for you. I have all the info below to go ahead and grab your free ticket. We are offering the VIP pass again this year. So if you don't have time to watch the videos during the 24 hours that they are live for you, you can purchase that VIP pass and get a bunch of freebies with it too. So I have both links below. So this year I am going to be teaching you how to make these cute little lanterns here. Y'all know I love my gnomes. So we're going to be doing some gnome lanterns out of cardstock and then with an optional using foil transfer or pens. And these are just some of my free files I have for the VIP access members. So go ahead and grab your free ticket, and it starts October 2nd and runs through the 6th this year. And there will be all sorts of amazing projects, and all of them include free files. And this year there are even a couple silhouette projects in there and some just learning how to design and things like that. So something for everyone. So you don't have to watch every day, every single one. You can see which projects you want to learn and see if you can carve out yourself an hour or two each day. Each of the workshops is about 20 to 40 minutes long and comes with the file and step-by-step tutorials through Cricut Design Space, through using your Cricut, everything. So you will be all ready to craft for the holiday season, and the crafts include anywhere from Halloween to Thanksgiving to Christmas to New Year's to all sorts of great fun stuff for you. Okay, so anyway, I hope to see you there, and remember to join the Facebook group and join all the giveaways. Tons of giveaways going on, so you don't want to miss those either. So anyway, hope to see you there.